Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Todoist for daily routine planning. First you need to open Todoist on your laptop or the browser and make sure to log into your account. Over here first you need to open any of the web browser and in the top you can see there's a search bar. Type down todoist.com and make sure to enter it. Over here when you reach into this interface of the Todoist to start planning your daily routine, you can select add task in the left hand side right over here and you can create tasks for your everyday activities like waking up, exercising, study, work, meals and rest. Next you can also set with the due dates right over here. For example, morning exercise, which AM, with your date, and this helps you follow a clear daily schedule. Now make this task recurring. You can also set your priority list. This way your routine automatically repeats without re-adding tasks. You can use the priority to highlight important tasks and labels like morning, work, or personal to keep things organized. Throughout the day, check off the tasks as you complete them. This keeps you motivated and show your daily progress. And at the end of the day, review your task, reschedule unfinished ones, and prepare for the next day. And Todoist will help you plan your daily routine by organizing tasks, setting reminders, and building consistency. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Todoist for daily routine planning. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.